Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Now we would like to have a group discussion on arranged marriages versus love marriages. You have exactly 10 minutes time to get going with this, and now the time according to my watch is 3 o'clock, and you have 10 minutes time to discuss on the topic given to you. Please.
Candidate 1, Candidate 2, Candidate 3, Candidate 4, Candidate 5, Candidate 6, Candidate 7, Candidate 8.
Hello friends, the topic given to us is arranged marriages versus love marriages. According to my views and my opinion, I feel arranged as well as love marriages depend on their opinions and their views. But to me, I guess love marriages would be better because if at all any conflicts come in between the partners, they themselves would be dealing with it instead of interference with parents and all wouldn't be there.
Candidate 1 displays initiative. Her poise and confidence enable her to win a hearing.
But I do agree with my friend here. So she has made a very good statement, and I also feel that marriage should not be a compromise. I think it should be more of an understanding. So in case of love marriages, it is usually, you know the person better and you get married. So it is more of an understanding that you share with the other person. But sometimes, when I don't say that arranged marriages are not, based on understanding as such. But sometimes they are not, because you do not know the partner properly, so sometimes it might not go well.
Candidate 2 lends support to the initiator and also appreciates the finer points in her. She speaks fluently, forcefully, and quite convincingly. She is confident and displays fair urge and enterprise.
In some of the cases of love marriages, it has most of the time happened that after some point of time in their relationship, they always get into conflict. So most of the love marriages have, so far been not so successful compared to the arranged marriages. It's not that love marriage, the maturity level has to be more in the individuals before they set into, deciding or getting into marriage life. So depending upon what step he has to take, whether love or arranged. It is, based on his belief strongly. One has to be committed before he thinks, before he takes up something like commitment, he has to be well prepared for that.
She has shown adequate understanding of the subject and seems to enjoy a fair range of ideas.
I do agree, but according to me, marriage is more of a commitment between two people. It has to be, so you should be mentally prepared for it, because that's a lifelong commitment you would give to somebody. So, I am more supportive of love marriages, but then I'm not completely against arranged too, because I feel, in a love marriage, you've got enough time to understand your spouse and, enough time, I can actually start a good relation with him or her.
She reveals good sense of timing and initiative and makes good use of the opportunity that came her way. Her approach is friendly and helpful. She speaks with a winning smile in a pleasant voice, which at once makes others to tune into a cooperative attitude and agreeable mood. She acts with confidence, speed, and makes up her mind decisively.
So you are in a position where in a love marriage, what happens in the beginning is that you have the vision.
Candidate 8 interrupts the talk, displays impatience and immaturity. She is eager to impress but do not know how to do it.
Of paradise and everything is going to work beautifully here on earth. And then when the reality of life comes in, they don't have this responsibility of course. So what happens in both the cases. It is not very hard, but cool. University. It actually begins in compromise. So things get better. Things tend to get better as that progress.
Yeah. And it's something like a progressive, attempt. Arranged marriage is really more successful compared to. She has grasped and presented the issues involved on merit. Despite the complex issues